Top 5.
In no particular order, our first candidate to enter the top 5 goes to, with an average score of 444 points.
Who is your bet for the top 5?
Candidate number 13.
Candidate number 13 for the top 5.
Sean Alamo.
And we have for the second spot for the top 5 goes to, and our score we have 447. Pasok ka rin sa top 5. Who is your bet for the top 5? Pasok ka rin all the way from Barangay Loyola High. Candidate number 6, Alexa Club Live.
Our next candidate, who will enter the top 5 with an average score of 453 points. Who is your bet?
Sino ang gusto nyo mabate para sa ating top 5 for the Q&A? Ladies and gentlemen, our score we have 453 points ang binigay ng ating mga hurado. Ladies and gentlemen, step forward, candidate number 9!
Angelica Hernandez.
Angelica Hernandez, sponsored by Councilor Wency Nagumpay.
Our next candidate, we have only 2 spots left. Garnering the average score of 467.
Siya ang pinakapangalawang mataas sa score.
Yes. Our candidate number...
Who is your bet for the top 5? Score we have 467. Ang nakuha niya sa ating mga hurado. Step forward, pasok ka rin sa mga candidate number 12!
Great Cruz. Our last spot for the top 5.
Okay, and for the last spot for the top 5, Queen of Duyan 2026. Our score we have 473. Ang kanya nakuha sa ating mga hurado. Ladies and gentlemen, pasok ka rin for the last spot. Candidate number 10. For the final 5. Sa ating mga hindi pumasok sa bali, congratulations pa rin. And sa ating kapay, dumiretso na tayo sa aming
Q&A na tayo.
Q&A.
Big picture po, photo op for our top 5.
And pagkatapos ng Q&A, magpapanda lang tayo ng konti for the information number. Get ready for the photo op for the final look for the top 5. Diretso agad tayo ng Q&A. Get ready, mga judges. Kayo po ang magtatanong. DJ,
Please step backward to our LED wall.
DJ, pakibigyan po ng
Q&A na agad tayo.
mic yung ating mga hurado for the question, final
Ang
question.
criteria natin ay back to 0 and we will explain
Back
the
to
criteria
zero.
for judging.
Ang una natin tatawagin yung unang pumasok. Get ready, huwag na pong bumaba kasi time check we have 2 a.m. Get ready for the sino ating first top 5 candidate number 13.
Okay, so we will explain again the criteria for judging. We will make the score back to 0.
Correct, it's a back to 0 again ang mga horados ang ating score. Ibig sabihin ang ating okay.
Ang ating Q&A, for the width and content, we have 35%. For the projection and delivery of message or answer, 25%. For the stage presence and poise, 25%. And overall impact, 15%.
Get ready, candidate number 13. Candidate number Shan Alawa, get ready. Interviewin muna natin si Shan. Congratulations. Shan, kinabahan ka ba na hindi mo akalain na aabante ka sa ating top 5? Magpasalamat ka muna sa ating mga oralia.
Yes.
Well, first and foremost, I would like to say that thank you because it's not easy to enter the top 5. But thank you so much, panel of judges, for trusting me so I can be able to enter this Magic 5. And I would like to say thank you with my team. They are actually 3 of them, but still they did their best in order for me to be more beautiful in stage.
Asa na nga ni Bo? Nandiyan ba? Po kasi for the
Ating
Fit
fishbowl.
the Jets. Ayan, pipili siya. Kung anong number po ang ating mabubunot, yung po ang magtatanong. Yung po ating judge.
Okay.
Get ready. Candidate number 30, Miss Shan Alamo. Sino po ang ating judge na nabunot?
Judge number 3, Kaiser Montales.
Get ready for the question and answer.
Yung question.
Wag lang po tayo maingay para masagot po ng candidates.
Kaiser Montales, Judge number 3.
Judge number 3.
Ulitin niyo pangalawa, 2 beses.
Microphone please for our judge panel. Microphone.
Microphone po, mayroon na po.
Yes.
Ayun daw.
Yung judge po ang magtatanong.
Ito na lang.
Ito.
Okay, wala po maingay para masagot po ng ating candidate siya. Yes.
Hello, Miss Shan. Good morning po. Kumusta ka naman? Okay ka lang?
Pressured. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm feeling right now. But I'm here trying to get my luck. Yes.